Another type of pain, which is quite excruciating, sort of manifests itself in the center of the spine, in the middle of the back. Out of nowhere, you suddenly feel that something has got pinched, and the pain goes down sometimes along the rib cage. You can't move, you can't sleep at night, you can't breathe even, and you get this very, very severe pain. And you change your position and you put hot water bottle, nothing happens. This thing sort of starts because of reading in bed and awkward position and sitting in front of the computers for long hours, or driving for a long time, or having a desk job. So when that happens, what happens is that the facet joint moves a little bit in the center, the joint here, and it starts to pinch the nerve or scratch the nerve in such a way that it's like a permanent compression, and the pain goes along that nerve wherever it is. Sometimes you get it in the neck area. Oh, you can't turn your neck. It's like there all the time. You keep rubbing it, hot water bottle, and doing all sorts of movements, but nothing happens, and it gets pinched in the upper back area, and it's a very uncomfortable symptom. So I'm going to show you how to treat that. To treat the problem that I just discussed, you have to sort of treat right from the top of the shoulder here, along the trapezius, and when you come to the area of the pain, you go deep and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 up. So you start from here, fairly firmly, and where the pinch nerve is, you press hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do this for about 10-15 minutes, and I'll give you some exercises with it, and you'll be able to help. Now with the hands, you can take a little bit of sesame oil or some oil, and you massage the top of the trapezius here, digging deep into the muscle. Massage that. Then massage the upper back like this, using your thumb. You can do both sides. And what you have to do is the axis of the spine is here. So you put your thumb on one side and then push it like that. Push it like that. Push it like that. So with the ball of the palm, you push the axis of the spine. And here, when you come here, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 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 If it's the upper back, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 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 And then push the axis again, like this. Push it. It's a very annoying pain, and once it starts, it takes about 2-3 days to cure. But keep going. Do this treatment sort of 3 times a day, and the exercises that I recommend. So you dig into the trapezius like this. Press against the scapula a little bit. It can happen anywhere, any of these places, but mostly in the upper back. And the pain goes down along the rib. So it can, be very uncomfortable, especially it feels like it's been pinched. The nerve has been pinched like that. So you do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And finally, you put your hand right on the center of the axis, press it like that. Sometimes you might hear a click. Osteopaths can also treat this problem, but if you want to avoid any manipulation and treat it naturally, this is how you do it. Down, down, down. Okay? So you do this treatment for about 10-15 minutes, and the 2 exercises are. Now the exercises for so-called pinch nerve. Put your hands underneath the thighs and go up, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. So you can do it to the count of 6, 7 also. Up, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Hands behind your back, and the same thing, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. And the next one is grab your ankles, right? And stretch your ankles up. Yes, like that. Up, stretch your ankles up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Get a good grip and lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Up, lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this exercise you can also do for about 5 to 8 times. And then there's one more exercise that goes with it. Turn around, please. This is, you bend your knees, right? Bend your knees. Take a deep breath in and lift yourself up. Yeah. Lift your pelvis up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, down. So this you can do for 5 to 10 times. So if you keep doing it, within 3-4 days, that pinch feeling will go. So these exercises and the treatment you do 3 times a day, and it may take 2 to 3 days, to get rid of that pinch feeling, but it will happen. It will ease for sure. So you do this. This is a very annoying thing, day in and day out you have that feeling, which is like, it irritates your mind all the time. So do this, you'll be much better.